good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And in today's video, we are just solving exercise 3.6 first question up to F we completed. Now in this video, we are just going to solve G, H, I, J like that. And what we learned in the previous class is just simple that we learned HCF by using prime factorization. We are finding HCF by using prime factorization. Okay, friends. And students, please try to solve this after watching this video. You also try to solve this of your own, and if you have any doubts in that, just ping me in the comment section. Okay students, don't forget to ping me in the comment section. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, and there is a notification bell icon here. If you press the notification bell icon, what will happen? You never miss my updates. Okay students, now we will start the class. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Okay, now without getting late, we'll start our class. So we completed up to E, and now we are moving on to the F bit, that is 34 and 102. Two 17s are 34 and 17 is a prime number, so we can stop this. And now for 102, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 17s are 51, and 17 is a prime number. We can stop finding the factors for this. 34 is equal to 2 into 17, and whereas 102 can be written as 2 into 3 into 17, and by this we can say that 2 is a common and 17 is also common here. So HCF is equal to 2 into 17, nothing but here 34. Okay students, now we have a routine check, that is 34 ones are 34 of course, and 34 threes are 102, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, and carry 102. So 34 is the correct answer we done here. And now see students, here onwards we have 3 digits. Now we are going to find out factors for all the 3 digits. Till now we just solve only for 2 digits, and now onwards we are just solving for 3 digits. 7 10s are 70, 2 5s are 10, and 5 is a prime number, so we can stop finding the factors. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. 3 7s are 21. 7 is a prime number, we can start finding the factors. 175. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, and 5 7s are 35. 7 is a prime number, we can start finding the factors here. And 70 can be written as 7 into 2 into 5. 105 can be written as, students, I am writing from down to up, nothing but to make the numbers down by down. వాటిని ఒకే రీజన్లో ఒకే నెంబర్ కింద నెంబర్ రాయడానికి ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ రైటింగ్ హియర్. And now we are writing the common factors, we are writing the factors of 175, and here also I am writing just down by down only. So nothing but like from down to up. We can write factors even from down to up or up to down. Why I written is just simple to make the numbers down by down. The same numbers will come down by down. For that reason I ask you, I was just change that, nothing more than it. So HCF is 7 5s are 35, and we have a normal check to check whether it is correct or not. Of course we all know that 35 2s are 70 and 35 3s are 105, 35 5s are 175, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. So students, whatever the answer we got is correct answer. And now we're moving on to the next question, that is 91, and we all know that 13 7s are 91. 7 is a prime number, we can stop finding the factors. And now for 112, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 28s are 56, 2 14s are 28, and 2 sevens are 14. And now coming to this, 7 sevens are 49. Students, I am writing here, their place is not sufficient for me to write the common factors. 13 into 7 and 112, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 and 49, 7 into 7. So students, what is the number common here? 7. So as we all know that the number common is 7, so that is the reason the answer is 7. Now we will have a common routine check whether it is correct or not. And of course the 7 13s are 91, and 7 table 112, when you are getting 7 ones are 7, 11 minus 7 is 4, 42, 7 16s are 112, and 7 sevens are 49. So my answer is correct or not? Correct, right? Now we'll move on to the next question, that is 18, 54 and 81. We'll find out the factors of this by using prime numbers. 3 6s are 18, 2 3s are 6. So 3 is a prime number, so we'll stop finding the factors. 18 3s are 54, 3 6s are 18, 2 3s are 6. 3 is a prime number, we can stop finding the factors. And 81, 3 27s are 81, 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime number, we can start finding the factors now. 18, 3 into 2 into 3, 54, 3 into 3 into 2 into 3, whereas 81, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So students, we have 2 times 3 is common here. So our HCF is 3 into 3, nothing but here 9. 3 3s are 9, right? So that is the reason we got the HCF as 9. And now we'll move on to the check. In 9 table, when you'll get 18, 9 2s are 18. When you'll get 54, 9 6s are 54. When you'll get 81, 9 9s are 81. Means whatever the answers you done is correct. And now we'll move on to the last question, that is 12, 45 and 75. What will be our HCF? We will see here. Okay students, 12, 3 4s are 12, 2 2s are 2. Of course you can write 2 6s are 12 also. I just done with 3 table. And 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9. And coming to 75, 15 5s are 75, right? And again 5 3s are 15. And we can stop finding the factors, and now we will write on what are the numbers, what are the prime number, what are the factors we have. 12 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2, and 45 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3, and 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. Of course students, so we have 3 is common. Students, if you observe here, we have 5 in 45 and 75. We didn't have 5 in 12, so that is the reason it is not going to become your HCF. So don't think that in 2 numbers if we have, we can take that. We should not take. In all the 3 numbers, if the number is there, if the number is common, if the number is repeated those many times, then only you can take. So here my answer is 3 itself. So I'll check whether in 3 table you are getting 12 or not. Of course, we can easily say that 3 4s are 12. When you'll get 45, 15 3s are 45. When you'll get 75, 25 3s are 75. So in this way, we can easily say that our answer is correct. Yes or no students? Good. So students, in this class we just learned about how to do the how to find the HCF by doing a prime factorization. This method is called prime factorization because we just followed only, we just done the factor, we just find out the factors of each and everything by using only prime numbers. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class, and if you find this information is useful to you, just please share it with your friends. Thank you.